Back it up right here, watch the clearance.
We need those bins moved to line 3.
Powering up the main conveyor now.
Data stream looks consistent. We're clear on the weight.
Verified. Sending it through.
Approved for processing.
We need to maintain this pace.
Wait, look at this spot right here.
Okay.
That won't pass inspection. Send it back.
All parameters are stable. Sterilization cycle complete.
Confirmed. Data logged and safety standards met.
The readings on the analyzer look consistent with the last run.
Yes, the texture balance seems perfect.
I'm bumping the extrusion speed by 5%. Monitor the pressure spike.
Minimal deviation, maintaining tolerance.
Check the consistency right here, near the edge connector.
It seems within tolerance, but the texture is slightly off.
Agreed. Let's document this batch as borderline acceptable.
The protein analysis on batch 4G is complete.
And the nutritional values look consistent with the target profile.
The particulate count is down by 20% since the upgrade.
That aligns with the projected efficiency increase. As you can see on the tablet, the VOC levels near this vent are exceeding the limit. We need a mitigation plan by the 15th.
Remember to always secure the machinery before performing maintenance.
What if the automated system is still active?
Ensure the lockout-tagout is engaged first.
Torque is applied. Check the readout.
Confirmed. All parameters are nominal.
We need to increase the torque limit on the main arm. Adjusting now. Looks like it's stabilized.
Perfect.
Let's monitor it for the next cycle.
Make sure the tolerances are within the green zone on screen 3.
Already done. Moving to the next unit now.
Is that the final pallet for this load?
Yes, we are good to go.
Head straight into Bay 4. We need that shipment loaded immediately.
Everything seems to be in order here. Just confirm the pallet count.
Looks good. 32 pallets total. Here's your copy.
That's it. Keep coming straight back. You're clear on the left.
All right, shift's done.
Finally, I'm starving.
See you tomorrow.
Everything looks correct here. I'll sign off on these pallets.
All right, we'll get them loaded up right away. Make sure the seals are checked before it leaves the bay.
All right, gate 7 is clear. Send the first truck.
Copy that. Rolling now.